Hello, kindergartners. Are you like me, wondering what in the world is going on over here? It looks like we've got lots of numbers, and I noticed something that's the same about all of these numbers. Did you notice it too? All right, Salvatore, what is it? Yeah, they all end in 0, aren't they? They are all ending in 0. Must be that these numbers are grouped in tens. Do you remember what we used to call our dime counting? Yeah, we had that row of dimes at the front of the room, and we would count by tens. Sometimes we do our flash counting. Want to do that now really fast? Okay, let's do it fast. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yeah, we would flash count those because we have 10 fingers, so it would be a group of 10. We counted bundles of straws, yes. We counted dots, bingo dots on a tens frame. We counted the sticks, yep, those sticks of 10. Lots of different ways of counting by 10. Well, boys and girls, today we've got these little worlds here, little pictures of the earth, and they have the numbers in groups of 10, but they are out of order. Can you help me put them in order? Great, I knew you'd help me. And then when we're done, we can write those numbers too to get some more practice in there. All right, what are we going to start out with? All right, what do you say, Hunter C? 10, let's do it. Let's find the number 10. Oh, there it is. So I'm going to start and I'm going to put 10 right about there. Okay, maybe I might need another piece of tape on there to keep it down so you can read it better. 10. All right, we've got 10, and what comes next? Priscilla. 20, yes ma'am. Let's grab 20. That's 2 groups of 10. There's a 2 in the 10 spot. 20. So we've got 10, 20. Who's got the next one? All right, go ahead. Hunter B. 30. All right, where's the 30? Yep, there it is. Let's put it up there. A 3 in the 10 spot. 3 groups of 10. That's 30. All right, Capri, this one's for you. Yes, 40 is next. Here, we found it. 40. All right, let's get a running start. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. Good job. Claudia, are you going to help us up next? All right, what's it going to be? It's going to be the number 50. Thank you, Claudia. Do you know who's calling us right now? It's our friend Mrs. Crawford, kind of like when we're doing a lesson and she bops in to say hello. I'm going to tell her, can I call you later? We'll call her back in a few minutes. All right, after 50, what comes next? Hey, maybe we should call Norsina since we're talking about Mrs. Crawford. All right, Norsina, what is it? Yes, ma'am, 60 is it. Let's go down here now. All right, after 60, what are we going to do, Tyler? 70, very good. All right, Luigi, you're up. What comes after 70? 80 comes next. Read while you're raising your hand. You want to tell me that 90 is next? It is. All right, why do we still have so many numbers? This is weird. I see hands up all over. Why do I see hands up all over? Oh, you think a very special number is next? Let's start at the beginning and go through and see if it is a special number. Ready? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Yeah, Kaden, you're right. There are still more numbers. And you know why there are? Why are there still numbers? You're right. Even though we count up to 100th day and we celebrate 100th day, there are many, many, many more numbers after 100. Yep, numbers never end. They keep going and going and going. All right, Mr. Kaden, since you know so much about numbers, what do you think the next group of 10 would be after 100? 110. Excellent, Kaden. All right, so we'll put that right here. Who can tell me what would be after 110? Lou, can you handle that one for us? 120. Very good. 120. And you know, we could keep going and going and going, but we have something else we want to do now. We want to write our numbers counting by tens. Yeah. Now, you could write this on a whiteboard. Yes, you could write this on a sheet of paper. Yeah, you don't have to have this exact worksheet to do this with us, but I am going to try to move you closer. Let's see if that helps. Should we still show those numbers? All right, there we go. All right, what did we start with here? The number 10, the number 1, and then a 0. Together, those make 10. Good. Now we're going to write 20. That's a 2 around and back on the railroad track, and then a 0. 20. Good. How are we going to make 30? A 3, and then a 0. Time for 40. What should I do? All right, Logan. Yeah. The number 4, and then a 0. Angie, how do I write 50? 5, 0. Selma, you have been so quiet. I know. You're always thinking about how you're going to help someone. Is that why you're so quiet? All right. What comes after 50? Help me out. 60. Thank you. All right, Jason, what comes after 60? 70. Good. We're getting higher and higher. After 70, Daniel? 80. Good job. Oh, here we go. After 80 comes what? Who's going to help me out now? Tyler? 90. All right, Nora R. What's the next one? 100. Nora E. How about after 100? 110. I knew you wouldn't forget. And one more. Who haven't I called on in a long time? Mason, what do you think? Yes, sir. 120, and I think that is plenty. Boys and girls, today we practice counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and the bonus, 110, 120. We put our numbers in order by counting with groups of 10, and you did a great job with it. Thank you.